Good morning, little ones.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Mama Bear. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. Me too. Me too. I had nice dreams. Oh, come eat your breakfast. Yay! I love pancakes. Yummy. These are so good. Eat slowly, little ones. Mama, can we play outside today?
Yes, but stay in the meadow.
Come on, Cubby. Let's go. Yeah! Wait for me, Bunny. Be careful. Stay together. Okay, Mama. We will. Wow! Wow! Look at the flowers. They are so pretty. Yes, yes, I love that cat game. On that game. Okay, I will hide. One, two, three, 4, 5. She will never find me here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Here I come, here I come. I am behind the big rock. I found you, Cubby.
Oh no! You are too fast!
Now you count. Character in image 2. Yo. No. Nay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ready or not? Found you.
Hello! Here is the Nan. Hello there, little ones.
Oh. Who are you?
I am hanging. And I am a friend. My name is Fox.
Hi, character in image 2. I am Cubby. Nice to meet you, Cubby. I am Bunny. Nice to meet you.
What a lovely day to play.
Oh, yes. Yes, we are playing hide and seek.
That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun.
Do you want to play with us?
I have an idea. I have a better idea.
What is it? Oh,
I know a secret candy tree. candy tree? Really?
Yeah, yes. It has the best candy. Mmm.
Wow! Wow! I love candy!
Come with me. It is not far.
But, ooh! 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 Mama said stay here.
Oh, it will be quick.
I don't know. Richa, very dedaito.
Ah, don't you want yummy candy?
Okay, let's go. Cubby, Bunny. That is Mama's voice.
Hey, quick! Come with me now! No!
Wait. Something feels wrong. Mama said not to go with strangers.
Nate. I am in the I am not a stranger. I am nice.
No, we don't know you. Mama! Mama! Help us! I am coming, little ones.
Oh no! I must go!
Are you okay? Are you hurt? Are you all right?
No, Mama. We are okay. I was so scared.
I am here now. You are safe.
I am sorry, Mama.
What happened? What happened, little ones?
A character in Image 2 talked to us.
He said he had candy. Did he ask you to go somewhere?
Yes. To a candy tree.
Oh my! That was dangerous! But he seemed so nice. Why would he do that? Pierre, my boo. Bad people can seem nice too.
Really? That is scary. Oh.
Never go with strangers, okay?
Yes, Mama. I want to go home. Me too. Home is safe.
Here is warm soup for you.
Thank you, Mama. It is yummy. I feel better now.
Remember our safety rules?
Never talk to strangers. Never talk to strangers. Never go with strangers. And always tell Mama everything. I am sleepy now. I love you, Mama. Mama. Good night, Mama Bear. I love you too. Sleep well.